The player can jump up by using the up arrow key or the space bar. Add three new cases, rather, the arrow up and the string and the space bar. So we would have to add new keys such as this, but in our case it would be a new key called arrow up. If the arrow up is pressed, of course, break statement and a new key for the space bar, break statement and a new case statement for the space bar also. Let's explain that after we finish the code. So it says, inside those cases, inside these three cases, use the subtraction assignment operator to subtract 8 from the player velocity y. So to subtract 8 from this one is that we have to write this first for us to subtract it to 8. So we are subtracting 8 from the velocity of y of the player. So you would just have to copy paste this one. And voila. So the reason why is So the reason why is there a string with a space in it, an empty string rather, and a space bar is actually the reason for compatibility. Space bar and this one is actually the same. So if space bar is pressed, then the velocity y of the player would be subtracted to 8. So again, this is for just a compatibility for other devices because to ensure that the space bar is pressed, because other devices might not detect the space bar from this key, so it would detect this one instead. However, other devices would also perhaps only detect this key, which is space bar, so it would detect this key instead. My point is that these two are the same of the key spacebar, which its purpose for the player to jump. So its purpose is to decrease the velocity y of the player to 8. It's just to ensure that the space bar is pressed. Anyways, that's it. Nice.